Welcome back to Happy Boy 12345. If you're new to this video, like and subscribe down below. And today I bought 2 chips and I got these. And you know what's inside? Let's see. It says lead the way. Let's open it. This is the back. But let's open it. I got like stickers. Oh, this is like the one where you cut it. Okay. Goodbye. See you in the next channel of Happy Boy 12345. If you haven't liked and subscribe and like the video right now. Bye.